Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, the Financial Empire. Guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about the Bitgate cryptocurrency. Now, Bitgate is making waves, gearing up for a massive bull run this month, guys. So, my name is Calvin. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and make sure you hit that like button to blue so that this video can go wide and wide to more Bitgate users and Bitgate holders. So, are you ready? If you're ready, smash the subscribe button and let's go. All right, Solana might push up past $40 as Bitgate gears up to times 10 this month. Guys, this is really interesting. Now, if Bitgate really gears up to times 10 this month, then you should be rest assured that you're going to be making pretty cash from this Bitgate. So the key point you should have in mind right now is Solana's outlook has been bullish during the current market Britta. In the next few days, Solana might push past $40 as Bitgate increase times 10 this month. Bitgate remains the most promising coin in the market today. So, guys, we're not going to be talking about much. We're not going to talk much of Solana today. We're talking basically Bitgate. That's our main focus for today. Bitgate in particular. So let's hit it up. The current crypto market. Okay, now the current crypto market Beta has stabilized most of its coins, guys. So the crypto market has stabilized most of its crypto coins, which means there can be a positive impact of this. There could be a greater or better market because the market is really facing a hard condition right now. But if this could be rectified with the bear market, a bullish market now, the bullish market come in place now, it could make good impact and Bitgate could massively get profit from that bull run. So with that being said, let's continue. And for the past few days, most coins have been marginal gains. Solana and Bitgate top among the coins that have posted impressive growth. Solana pushed past the $33 to the current of $37. The crypto expert believe that Solana might trust past $40 before the end of the week. Bitgate, on the other hand, has posted impressive growth, and this week's outlook is great. Bitgate is one of the coins promising to deliver one of the best growth, which is even why Solana investors are buying Bitgate. In fact, Bitgate has increased by 12% at the time of this writing, while Solana has posted just a 2.4% increase during the same period. So going on, Bitgate massive potential is based on the products that the Bitgate team has developed, guys. So let me evaluate and elaborate on something right here, guys. Bitgate ecosystem is something pushing it to the next level. The roadmap, the utility, and everything. The Bitgate startup studios they are giving the Bitgate momentum. We're gonna be coming across that in this video, so just stay tuned, watch till the very end, and make sure you subscribe. So Bitgate market potential is based on the products that Bitgate has developed. A look at the Bitgate project and more. So the disruption of the Bitgate ecosystem and the disruptive Bitgate ecosystem is something that is attracting attention. Bitgate has done so much that it's already started competing with big coins like Solana. Can you imagine Bitgate barely hit 1 year and is competing with all-time Solana guys? This is why this cryptocurrencies token has good potentials. Among the biggest factors that might make Bitgate increase time 10 this month is the mass adoption of the Bitgate ecosystem. The Bitgate BRC20 blockchain is the leading chain in terms of adoption. The Bitgate adoption rate is higher than that of Solana. This is mainly because of the zero gas mechanism that Bitgate is offering, guys. Now, Bitgate is the world first zero cost gas free blockchain in the whole crypto space. This is a unique identification of the Bitgate, the world cheapest gas free. That's the identification people use to identify Bitgate, and it's really making it have that momentum, having that outstanding looks within its peers, its other cryptocurrencies of the same caliber. So let's keep it going. Bitgate also boasts of attractive development, including the Bitgate Roadmap V2, I said that already, and the Startup Studio project, which I also mentioned earlier, if you can recall. With this development, Bitgate has everything to grow times 10 this month. The mass adoption of the Bitgate product and the project will be key to this growth. For the Solana project, the Solana team has also put out a roadmap that will see the Solana ecosystem grow bigger. The Solana team recently launched the Solana mobile phone product. that will capture the Android mobile industry. This is a product that will skyrocket Solana adoption. Solana ecosystem is also growing larger with the Solana DeFi being the most attractive of them all. So Solana still has a lot of exciting development coming up. However, guys, going by the current trend, Bitgate might still do better than Solana. Guys, so for you to be for the crypto expert to be comparing Bitgate and Solana is an advantage to Bitgate because Bitgate is barely a year, just hit a year of recent I can recall, and it's already competing with Solana. This is a bullish fact you should also have in mind when you're talking about Bitgate. Now, I always say Bitgate has the potential of hitting times 100, times 1000 because it's really posting positive moves. This is because Bitgate has a more disruptive development than the Solana. So, I will conclude by saying Bitgate, big things, keeping it real, guys. So, thanks for watching this video. My name is Calvin. Subscribe to this channel, drop a comment, tell me where you're watching from. Let's interact. See you next.